Welcome back to another exciting look into the future of recreational vehicles. Today, we are diving into a marvel of modern European motorhome engineering that somehow manages to combine maximum comfort with absolute compactness. Introducing the brand new 2027 Nansen 640 LS by the legendary German specialist Westfalia. Set to make its grand live debut at the upcoming Dusseldorf Caravan Show, this vehicle is already shaking up the compact camper market by offering features you simply never see in a rig this size. Named after the famous Norwegian polar explorer, the Nansen series aims to give adventure lovers the absolute best of both worlds, and this 640 LS model is the undisputed king of the lineup. Built on the incredibly reliable new Fiat Ducato chassis, the 640 LS measures just under 21 feet in total length. Yet, incredibly, Westfalia has managed to pack a literal king-size bed and what they confidently call an XXL rear garage into this tight footprint. The entire rear half of the motorhome is an absolute engineering masterpiece dedicated to sleeping and storage. The king bed sits on a height-adjustable lift above a massive cargo area, featuring durable checkerplate flooring. When the bed is raised all the way to the ceiling, you get up to 5.2 feet of interior garage height, which is more than enough room to securely haul a pair of bulky electric bikes along with all your heavy luggage. Even when lowered for sleeping, you still retain plenty of functional cargo space underneath. Plus, a full wall of clever integrated storage, complete with sliding doors and netted cubbies, wraps around the bed frame to hold all your travel essentials. Moving up to the front half, the 640 LS continues to impress with a highly appointed galley kitchen that features a 2-burner gas cooktop, a sink, ample counter space, and a massive 157-liter tower fridge. The bathroom is equally clever, utilizing a Vario-type transforming swivel wall to switch between a toilet room and a full shower cubicle on demand. The front dinette seats 4 safely and swivels the captain's chairs around a 2-leaf extendable table for comfortable meals. Powered by a standard 140 horsepower engine with an automatic transmission, this rig is designed for those who want to travel fully prepared. Starting at roughly $87,400, the Westfalia Nansen 640 LS is scheduled to hit dealership lots in January of 2027, making it the ultimate dream machine for couples ready to explore the open road without compromising on luxury or storage space.